feet. Oh, there's there.
There's two.
There's the second
There's three.
one.
Come here.
Yeah. There's one there, stop. Oh, right. Yeah. There's one there. Yeah.
Good shot. Good.
Nice one.
Nailed.
That was a crazy shot.
Yeah.
Oh, stop. Oh, wow. Come over here. Oh, the small one. No, it's the bigger one. I'll get the small one, get the bigger one. The bigger one. I'll get the small one, get the bigger one.
Yeah, finish that small one.
Here's the big one.
He's right.
Alright, he's done.
Yeah.
Now
Here,
we're
come over
go
here.
where he is. There's a bigger one.
Here. Right at the hooks.
Oh, I see it. Oh.
The geese scared him away.
Yeah.
There's a big one. He's right behind. He's there. Here, come over here. Come over here. There's a bigger one. Here. Right at the hooks.
Oh, I see it.
Oh. The geese scared him away, huh?
Yeah. His head's right there on top.
Yeah.
Stop right there.
That one there?
Oh, right there, yeah.
Oh, great
Look
shot.
at that next one.
See the other one?
Nope. It's right above it.
Got him.
Great shot.
Got him. I guess that's where they're living at. They're going in and out through those rocks. You see what they're doing, right? Pretty incredible. Pretty impressive that they could actually dig through stuff like that. And they're just out here in the wild.
That's one of the reasons why, due to damage, just like rodents, the damage that they do physically to the environment as well as people's houses is one of the reasons why you control it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Same concept.
Yep.
Nice and green here. Joe made a good point. Nice and green here. Completely decimated on the other side.
Yeah.
Incredible.
There's one there.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, there's one sleeping right there.
Whoa. Right, you want to put a little bit above it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot this one.
Go ahead. Oh, right above him. Oh. Got him. Got him. Got him. Out. You're out?
Yeah.
Great shot. Perfect timing. Let me see. Is this one all right?
It's loaded. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving.
Let me see. Sound real quick. Just save it for it. Try to shoot right above it. It's a little heavier, so I'm just the weight seems to be a little bit above the longer end.
They end up being alive.
Is that true?
Yeah. I swear to God. There was
Okay.
one in my community that was literally at the bottom, bro. Look dead, look black. But this one's bleeding down his back.
I mean, if he's shot in the head,
But he's dead.
yeah. He did a, yeah.
Yeah, he's dead. Good shot.
Thank you.
Are you gonna eat him?
I would like to try them. I mean, both Raj and Lindsay here are safe in case I check them.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what I heard. Right there on that tree.
If I, there's one there, look.
Not that one.
Follow the second.
No, the other
Same
one.
branch,
Same
same
branch.
branch.
Same branch.
Good
Oh!
shot!
Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Yeah. Rifle's on.
Still trying to shake it off.
That's the other one right there, DOA.
The other one's DOA. Good. We got this one. I'm gonna go in for that. Here, who got an extra? Extra. I got an extra shot. What I wouldn't do for a net right now. I do got a net in the car. Might have to do that and save my shoes, my Air Maxes. We got all day, people.
I don't know, man. I'm just kidding.
Guys, hands down, most alpha iguana that we got so far, right? The other guy, he was kind of green. This guy's red. Not a bad way to start the morning, boys.
Yeah.
Right after our coffee, got our boy Stuart from Scotland shooting the Stuger Bull Shark XM1 22 cal. Silly iguana in the bag. Here, I'm gonna say silly iguana, be like in the bag. Silly iguana
In the bag.
yeah, buddy. They all ran to that tree, huh? The big one ran to the water. Let's go by that tree. Next time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come from that side and cut them off from running to that tree.
Okay.
Because now if they run here, I mean, they don't really have nowhere to run.
There's one, look, one that, oh, it's a squirrel.
Where?
There's
Squirrel?
a squirrel on the tree.
Okay. Let's go around here, and then we're gonna head on out of here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey. There's one right here sticking his head up. Real one sticking his head up.
Straight ahead. You see it?
Is that the one?
Yep. He's moving towards the tree.
Oh, wait, that might not be an iguana. That straight up there?
Straight up.
Oh, right here? By the tree?
Yeah.
Oh, right by. Okay. Yeah.
Is that a safe shot?
Let me see. Try to come up.
Try and get this one through. To the right.
Did I dust him?
Yeah, you hit.
I think I dusted him. Let's see what he's saying.
He's on there.
Where?
Behind that tree.
He's behind the tree?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, yeah, I see him right
Get him.
there.
You can't. Oh. Oh, he's on one. Nice one.
Oh,
Nice
nice.
shot.
Nice.
That's how you only hit an impact.
Oh. Whoa. I think you upsetted the mama.
And there on the left hand side, going up where these in the back, up there. Going up the way. Yeah, maybe.
All right, I'm gonna scope out here.
Okay.
That is a big one up there, though. We might have to kill him, though.
Just do a walk around, right?
Yeah. Shoot him that way.
Yeah, shoot him from the service time sign right there.
boss, you did say we have dragons.
Dinosaurs, bud. They survived the meteor.
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
One around the tree. There he is.
The big one is gone.
Yeah, he's still there.
The big one?
That one?
Oh, that one's still.
Yeah. Oh, he's still there. All those trees.
Yep. Did he just move out of sight?
Yeah.
Let's see what's across here right quick.
Hello, that's me just about to wrap up. Once I've been out with Iguana Ninja and Raj the Iguana Man, and all morning we've been shooting iguanas with the XM1 bull puppy rifle from Stuttgart in Beretta. Fantastic.
From Scotland, dude, to come help tackle Florida's iguana problem with yours truly, the gang, Iguana Ninja. We got our boy Joe right there. Guys, you just never know who you're gonna meet and what impact they could have on your life. Right here, we're with our boy Stuart from Scotland, and we've learned a lot, we've caught a lot, we've talked a lot. I see how he does it over here, he's seeing how we do it down here. So it's honestly truly an amazing experience.
Yeah,
I don't think I've even met anyone from Scotland
Never?
before.
Nah. Okay, I'm the first.
Yes.
Pest control, meet a pest controller. Perfect.
Stuart's got a YouTube channel as well. If you guys want to catch up with Stuart and see what he does over there in Scotland,
Yeah.
what's the best way they can do that?
So if you follow the link, I'll send that to yourself, but it's Vermin Control Scotland. And I cater for scope cam footage of mainly rats and rabbits and feral pigeons. Head over and give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you wouldn't mind.
Absolutely. Go ahead, check out Stuart's page, and we're gonna put that in the description. He does like I said, if you like pest control, the rats, the rabbits, the pigeons, that's the kind of stuff you get to see. The scope cam, can't wait to see that footage.
Yeah.
But look at all the iguanas we got. 1 hour after lunch.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fat iguanas, guys.
Perfect. Thank
Oh
you.
man,
Yep.
thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
We'll be in touch soon, all right?
Yeah.
We're gonna be in Scotland, and you're gonna come back here. I know you said it's your first time, but it's definitely not your last, all right?
I agree.
You're coming back, all right?